Unlock seamless shopping across Europe with Afterpay's flexible payment plans. Here's how you, as a European shopper, can make it happen. First things first, Afterpay is expanding its reach. And while not every country is covered yet, many European nations are on board. Check the official Afterpay website for the most up-to-date list of participating countries to ensure your location is supported. When you're shopping online at a participating European retailer, look for the Afterpay payment option at checkout. It's usually displayed prominently alongside traditional payment methods like credit cards. Simply select Afterpay, and you'll be prompted to either log into your existing Afterpay account or create a new one. If you're a first-time user, the process is quick and secure. Afterpay typically allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal installments. The first payment is usually due at the time of purchase, with the remaining payments automatically deducted every 2 weeks. This makes budgeting much more manageable. What can you buy with Afterpay in Europe? Eligibility can vary slightly by retailer and country, but generally, you can use it for a wide range of goods including fashion, beauty products, electronics, and homeware. Always check the retailer's specific Afterpay policy for any exclusions. Now, a crucial step for accessible financing is responsible spending before committing to a purchase. Ensure you can comfortably afford all 4 installments. Stick to your budget and avoid overspending simply because you can split the cost. By understanding which countries participate, how to select Afterpay at checkout, and by practicing smart spending habits, you can leverage Afterpay's Buy Now, Pay Later service to access the products you love in Europe, making your payments more manageable and your shopping experience smoother.